Welcome to the online lecture series on 8051 microcontroller. In this video lecture, we shall discuss some of the problems on 8051 stack. Identify any errors in the below instructions. In case of error, write the correct instruction syntax. So these are the instructions given, and I have noted all those instructions here. Okay. Now, push E. Is it a valid instruction? It's an invalid instruction. Why? Because you should only mention a direct address. So the correct instruction will be push. What is the address of accumulator? 0E0H. Okay. Then how about push R5? That is also invalid because you have to mention the address. What is the address of R5? It is 05H. Then pop R7, it is also invalid because you have used register name. So you should mention register address. So the correct instruction will be pop. Address of R7 is 07H. Move R0, #30H. So R0 is used as a pointer to memory location 30H. Then push at the rate of R0. So this is indirect addressing mode, which is not supported by push instruction. Okay, so this is also invalid. So the correct instruction would be push the direct address. The address here is 30H. So push 30H or whatever the address R0 is pointing. This is also invalid because this is indirect addressing mode. Okay, so the correct instruction will be pop 50H. Okay, let's come to the second program. Second problem. Show the stack and stack pointer for the following. Assume the default stack area. What does it mean? So the stack pointer will be pointing to the default location, that is 07H. Okay, and register R0 is selected. So this is the program. Okay, so 25 is copied to register R6, 12 is copied to register R1, F3 is copied to register R4. Then you are saving the contents of register R6. Okay, 6 is the address of R6. Then push 1 means address of R1. Push 4 means address of R4. Okay, so you have to draw the memory layout and show the stack pointer and the contents of the memory. Okay, let's do that. So this is the problem being given. So before you perform any push operation, by default the stack pointer is pointing to memory location 07H, because by default on reset stack pointer will be always pointing to 07H. So when you perform push 6, what will happen? This stack pointer will be incremented by 1 and the contents of this address, that is 6H. 6H is nothing but register R6. So the contents of R6, that is 25H, will be stored onto the memory location 08H. Right? So after push 06H instruction, stack pointer is incremented by 1 and the contents of R6 25H is stored in this location. When you perform push 1, again stack pointer is incremented by 1. So this is the top of the stack now. Okay, and in that location the content of register R1, that is 12H, is stored. When you perform push 04H, then the contents of stack pointer is incremented by 1. So stack pointer will be pointing to 0AH and contents of register R4 will be stored in the location pointed by SP. So you have to draw this and you have to show pictorially after each push operation what is the stack pointer pointing to and the contents. Okay, thank you.